Over the last 10 years, I've been writing blogs on everything related to permaculture, sustainability, and resilience. And recently, we put all of these blogs together, our best blogs, into the Verge blog book, which you can now download for free. So in the blog book, you'll see that there's several of our best blogs, everything from what you need to know about permaculture, tips for passive solar design, swales, the permaculture element that really holds water, where I uncover and unwrap what this concept of a swale is, the top 8 basic home design flaws, the top 11 appropriate technologies for your home, the case for earth repair business and how you can make a livelihood from permaculture, buying the right property. It's amazing how often people buy the wrong property. So this blog really unwraps what it means to buy the right property, especially if you have resilience or permaculture goals. The 3 legs of the integrated design stool, and so what really creates a powerful permaculture design, investing like an ecosystem, retrofitting a small town, and heating a greenhouse using a rocket mass heater. Now, we had this blog book built like a magazine, so it's beautifully laid out, it's easy to read, and you're going to find tons of great free information in here that you can use to move your permaculture system to the next level. If you're interested in downloading this blog book, you can download it at the Verge Permaculture website, and I'll put the link in the show notes below. On this website, you'll be able to take a peek at all the stuff that you get when you sign up for this blog book. And if you scroll down to the bottom and you put in your first name, your last name, and your email, we'll email you a copy of this blog book. In addition to that, we'll also give you updates with regards to when we go live on YouTube, as well as other content that we create on a weekly basis. Thanks so much. I hope you find this blog book really interesting. Send me your feedback and let me know what you think about it. And I hope to see you in a future live YouTube event or even a live course in the future.